Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the stick for damage and the expiration date because a compromised vial leaks and underperforms. Once done, pick a comfortable temperature, warmer gives brighter light, colder dims it, and position the stick away from your face. You grip both ends and bend until you feel a snap. You'll hear the inner vial break. Then vigorously shake for 5–10 seconds to mix chemicals. This step activates the glow and ensures an even reaction across the tube. You now optimize output. Once activated, shaking occasionally redistributes the reagents and keeps the glow uniform. If you need more apparent brightness, place the stick against a white or reflective surface. This amplifies perceived light without changing chemistry. To extend use for signaling or art, twist or loop multiple sticks together. Combining colors produces new hues and higher intensity. Make sure to avoid sharp bends and keep the sealed ends intact to prevent leakage and uneven fading. You finish by using the stick until it dims, then dispose of it intact in the regular trash, because puncturing releases chemicals you don't want on skin or surfaces. If you need longer duration next time, cool the stick in a fridge or ice for slower reaction. Conversely, heat will boost brightness but shorten life. If the glow is dim or patchy, reshake and reposition on a reflective background. If that fails, replace the stick. A damaged inner vial or old chemical mix causes persistent poor performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.